good morning, class. So our lesson for today is about order of adjectives. I know that you have an idea about an adjectives, but today we are going to specify an order of adjectives. Okay? But before that, I have here an activity, okay? So you are going to write this in your paper, and after I elaborate on the instruction, kindly pause the video, okay? For you to have time to answer it. Read each sentence below. You have to find the meaning of the underlined words and choose the answer from the box. So this word, hopefully, plentiful, multiplied, tremble, and different. So those 5 words are inside the box. And you have to find its synonyms, okay, in the underlined words. Okay po, so you can pause this video now. And I have here now a comic strip. Okay, this is a comic strip that is about the 2 friends who are talking about a vacation of her friend to Italy. So a boy and a girl. Okay, so listen to their conversation. And later I have a question for you. Okay, so please listen carefully. Tell me something about your visit to Italy, said the boy. Well, my family enjoyed eating in an old, big Italian restaurant, said the girl. Oh, really? What did you eat there? Said the boy. Oh, a lot. But I have a favorite. I don't know the name of that food. As far as I can remember, it is a thick, rectangular, reddish, yellow Italian food. Oh, I wish I can go and visit Italy too, said the boy. Okay, so these are the questions. What are the adjectives in the comic strip? So as you can see the comic strip there, you have to find the adjectives. Next, what nouns are described by those adjectives? And the third is, how are the series of adjectives being arranged? Okay, now I want you to keep your answer within yourself. Okay, just keep it to yourself. Adjectives. Let us describe first what is an adjective. Adjectives. Adjectives are the words that describes the noun or the pronoun. Okay? So again, it describes the noun or the pronoun. Okay? It can tell the characteristic or the outside form of the noun or the pronoun. So we have here the order of adjectives. So when a series of adjectives are used in a sentence to describe the noun, the adjective should be written in this order. First, by determiner, followed by the number, quality, size, shape, color, origin, and lastly, the noun. So that order should be followed when writing um, a sentence using a series of adjectives. Okay? So first, the determiner. So a determiner is a word that specifies the noun. Okay? It can specify the noun, how many the noun is. Okay? For example, the, this, an, and a. Okay? So those determiners, you can use it to specify the noun. Next, number. So I have an example for you for determiner. For example, an honest review. Okay? I use an honest review. Next, the blue book. Okay, again, I use the. Okay, let's proceed to number. So, number, it tells how many. Okay, so you can write there the quantity of the noun. It can be 2, 3, 5, and any number. Okay, that can tell how many your noun is. Okay, how many is the noun that you are describing. Okay, for example, the 3 little pigs. So again, the 3 little pigs. I use the as the determiner. 3 for the number and little pigs. Okay, so later I will tell you what is the functions of the two. Okay, another example, 2 ducklings. Okay, 2 ducklings. I use there the number. How many ducklings? 2. Okay, so our noun is duckling. Okay, next, the quality. So in quality, it is like an opinion. Okay, wherein you can say what you personally think about what you are describing. For example, pretty, expressive, expensive, um, okay, any opinion that you think of what you are describing. For example, the pretty flower. Okay, for you it is pretty, but for others that do not want flower, it can be disgusting. Okay, it is not that pretty. Okay, so an expensive watch. It is opinion, expensive. Okay, an expensive watch. So it is opinion because it is just your thought, own opinion. Okay, maybe for others it is not that um, expensive because they have money to buy it. But an expensive a watch, it can be opinion for you. Okay. Next, size. So if we are talking about an adjective that is size, it tells us how big or small the noun is. For example, petite, small, huge. Okay? So I'll make it in a sentence. The 3 little pigs. Okay? The determiner. 3, a number. Little is the size. Okay? How big or small? Little. Pigs, the noun. The 3 little pigs. Okay, clear? Next example. The petite girl. A petite girl. So, a is the determiner and petite is the size. And the noun that you are describing is girl. A petite girl. Okay? Next, let's go to shape. So in shape, you have to describe the outside form or shape of something. Okay? For example, circular, square, rectangular. Okay? Example, the circle clock. Okay? It is specifically stating that the circle clock, not any clock. Okay? Not the other clock, but the circle clock. Next, a triangular house. Okay? A is a determiner. Next, triangular is a shape. Okay? So I use there different adjectives. Determiner and a shape, which modifies the noun house. A triangular house. Okay? Next, 6, color. So in color, it tells what tint or hue of something. Okay? Or it tells what color of you are describing. For example, white, blue, green. Okay? I'll give you an example. The blue bills. Okay? The is a determiner. Blue is color. Bills, the noun you are describing. The blue bills. Okay? Next, the blue book. The blue book. Okay? Book is the noun that you are describing. What kind of book? Blue. Okay, the blue book. Next, the origin. It is, you can tell here where something came from. It can be American, Japanese, Filipino. Okay, so for example, a Japanese cheesecake. Okay, so a Japanese cheesecake. Determiner, a Japanese is the origin of the cheesecake. Okay, origin of the noun that you are talking about or you are describing. Japanese cheesecake. Okay, next, a Korean tteokbokki. a Korean tteokbokki. Okay? So, a is a determiner. Korean is the origin of the tteokbokki. Okay? Korean tteokbokki. Now, number 8, the last, noun. So, the noun is where is the one that you are describing. Okay? This is the one that we are talking about. The girl, eyes, house, or any noun that you can describe. Okay? For example, the pretty girl. Okay? So, the noun that I am describing there is the girl. That the girl is pretty. Okay? So, I have here an example. Panettone is a round Italian Christmas cake. Okay? Round and Italian. The Christmas cake is being described, the panettone is being described as round and Italian. Okay? Next, what an amazing little Chinese cup and saucer. Amazing, an opinion. Little, the size, and Chinese, the origin. Cup and saucer. Okay? So, it must be in its order. Okay? I know that it is rare that all types of adjectives are present in a sentence, but it is possible. Okay? If all the adjectives are not present, you should always follow the order of adjectives, even if it is not complete. Okay? So, I think you understand our lesson for today, and if you have any questions, just type it there in the comment section. Okay? Thank you for listening to our discussion for today. Bye!